everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will understand the relay block in the simulation, which is commonly used to implement hysteresis behavior and avoid rapid switching due to small fluctuation into the input signal. First, let's understand the purpose of the relay block. The relay block has two threshold values. One is the switch on point and second is the switch off point. So by double clicking it, we are taking the compare to constant. Now we have the two constants, so we are copy paste and we are taking the two inputs for the over voltage value is suppose 30. So if the voltage is goes equal or above the 30, then it will give the value as output for the 1. And second threshold is work when there is a 10 value tolerance, and if it goes below to the 10, then it will switch off. So 1 is for the switch on and 0 is for the switch off. So it is giving the protection logic. First we will add the switch block to implementation. Then output of the first threshold value goes to the control port of the switch, and if it is true, then it will give the value of 1 for the output. We will add another switch block for the implementation. We will give the output of the less than equal to 0 for the control port. If we get this condition true, then we will get the output as the 0. We are connecting the output of the second switch to the first of the first switch. Then we are adding the unit delay block. So with the help of unit delay, we are holding the previous value. We are not changing instantly, we are taking the previous value. With the help of display, we are observing the output, and for the multiple inputs, we are giving the repeating sequence there. So we give the input value which are between those two levels, above the upper level and below the lower level. So we will understand the output of the. For the confirmation of the alternate implementation, we are taking the relay block. So by double clicking it, we are taking the relay block, which is a standard block of the simulation. We are giving the same input as we are giving our alternate implementation. We are giving the area. So we create one area. It is for the alternate implementation. This is the standard block which we have used. For that, we are using another display. And for checking purpose, we are taking the subtract block. So it will give the difference. It should be give the difference 0. At the scope, we will observe the output. If this scope is giving the 0 value, then we will say that our implementation is correct. So upper level, we are using the 30 value, and lower limit, we are using the 20 value. Check and simulate. Now we have given the value, we will simulate the model. So we get the output as 1 1. Now we are seeing the scope, so it is giving the 0 value. So we are getting the same value as the standard relay block is giving. So with the help of alternate implementation, we are getting the same output as the relay standard block is giving. So this is the whole relay block implementation.